Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you an amazing exercise. It's one exercise we're going to do 30 times. So we're going to do 3 sets of 10. This will help with the thighs, the legs, the calves, the hips, the arms, literally an all over exercise. Now what we're going to do first is I'm going to stand with my back nice and straight and just roll the shoulders back a bit and place them in, set them in place. And if you're not wearing any trainers, if you can actually, if you're barefooted, just place out your toes and spread them so your feet are nice and balanced on the floor here. Now you want to be hip width apart, and we're going to do some great squats. Now, first of all, we're going to squat and we're going to place our arms out in front of us and gently squat down. Now, when we're squatting, we also want to make sure that our knees don't go over our toes. And also when we come back up, that we engage the glutes, if you like. So let's do this 10 times. So placing our arms out in front of us, we're gently coming down, coming up, and just squeeze that glute. Making sure the back is also nice and straight as well. Engaging that core. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. And come up and just give it a little shake out. So now let's place our arms in an outwards motion. You can come either forward or coming back if you like, or just midway. And again, hip width apart, gently coming down, making sure your feet are going over your toes for 1. This will also help with the arms. 3, 4. Again, remembering when you come up to really squeeze that glute. 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10, and give it a little shake out. And then now we're going to place our hands almost into a position here. And again, let's do this 10 times. So coming down for 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, remembering holding that core and have a nice straight back as you're leaning forward. 7, 8, 9, and 10, and shake it out. Now you can do this morning or night, or you can do it both actually, so really see a difference. And if you do this morning and evening, you will find that within 2 weeks you should be feeling a lot more toned within yourself. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing for more content, and also a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And please comment down below, tell me if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.